How to pay booking.com invoice. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can start paying on booking.com's invoice. It's very simple. So say for example you're doing on the web version. It's actually different if you're going to be doing it on the booking.com's application on your mobile device. Now say for example here, make sure that you log in into your account, or you can also have the option of not logging in. Make sure to check, you have to double check on the currency that you would like to use. Say, for example, you're going to be using USD, Euro, Peso, or any type of currency that you prefer. Make sure to have it changed first before paying the invoice. Next is once you selected a specific purchase right here, it will automatically be redirect you into the payment tab. You just need to input the payment method that you prefer, and then once you have it completed, it will automatically be completed as well and will be sent a receipt onto the email address that you use, whether you're logging in or not. And that is how you pay booking.com invoice.